Most of us think we're tired because we are busy. But that's not actually the problem. We're tired because we are never allowed to stop thinking about ourselves. How we're doing, how we're coming across, if we're enough, what we should fix next. Today, I want to talk about something that might sound strange at first: the escape of self. It's not disappearing, it's not avoiding life, but learning how to rest from being the center of your own attention. You're not exhausted from doing too much, you're exhausted from carrying yourself all of the time. So when I say escape of self, I don't mean escaping responsibility. I mean escaping constant self-monitoring. Most of us live with an inner narrator that never shuts up. And it asks, am I okay? How do I look? Did I say the right thing? What's next? That voice was never meant to run 24/7. The escape of self is simply this: giving the inner narrator a rest. And here's the interesting paradox. When the self steps back for a moment, we don't lose ourselves. We actually come back clearer, calmer, and more present. The goal isn't to lose yourself. It's to stop staring at yourself. We live in a culture obsessed with identity. Most identity advice sounds like this: look inward, analyze yourself harder, optimize your life, brand your personality. And yet anxiety, depression, and burnout, they keep rising. Why? Because endless self-focus doesn't heal the self, it exhausts it. It takes away our energy. Biblically speaking, this is where the Imago Dei matters. We are made in the image of God, who is creative, relational, present, at rest, joyful. God is not anxious. God is not self-obsessed. God does not perform God's identity. So when we practice escaping constant self-focus, we're not becoming less human. We're actually becoming more human. Practices that help you forget yourself for a moment often help you remember who you really are. So here's a quick clarification. Not all escape is good. Unhealthy escape tends to numb pain, avoid responsibility, and leave you fragmented. And that's not what we're talking about here. We want to talk about healthy escape, which relieves self-pressure. It restores attention. It returns you to life more present. And here's the test. Does this practice help me come back more grounded and engaged, or more disconnected? Healthy escape always returns you. So let me give you a handful of simple practices. Number 1, awe. Be in awe of creation or beauty. Go outside. No headphones, no podcast, no phone. Look at something bigger than you. The sky, the trees, water, or mountains. You don't have to stop thinking about yourself. Awe does it for you. And when you see something awesome, you're not thinking about yourself. You're just thinking about how awesome that thing is that you're looking at. Awe is one of the fastest ways to shrink the self without harming it. 2, creative absorption. Do something with your hands. Draw, cook, build, play music. Maybe you're a gardener, so go garden. Not to monetize it, not to post it, not to improve yourself, just to be absorbed. If you lose track of time, the practice is working. Get into the flow state of whatever it is that you're doing. Creativity isn't about expressing yourself. It's about forgetting yourself. 3, self-forgetful prayer. Most prayer still centers the self. This one doesn't. Like, sit quietly. Use a short phrase like, here I am. I trust you, Lord. When your mind drifts back to fixing yourself, gently return to the phrase. No performance, no self-analysis, just presence. Prayer doesn't always fix the self. Sometimes prayer resets the self. 4, deep presence with another person. One conversation a day where You don't interrupt. You don't rehearse your response. You don't check your phone. You just listen. And when you forget yourself in the presence of another, something holy is happening. The self loosens its grip when attention is given away. 5, play. Do something useless on purpose. Laugh, be bad at it. Stop when joy fades, not when guilt shows up. Play is not immaturity. Play is Sabbath in motion. Play is a declaration that your worth is not tied to your output. And then it's just fun when you can just play. Let me leave you with this. You don't need to escape your life. You need occasional rest from being the center of it. When the self steps back, the soul breathes. The image of God comes into focus, and you return to the world more whole. Now, if this resonates with you, try one practice this week, not to improve yourself, but to let yourself rest. This is something that I have to do. And if this conversation connects with you, share it with someone who's tired and doesn't know why. Thanks for checking it out. And as always, don't forget, be unique, but belong.